We'll guide you through how to engage ChatGPT in a lively discussion, commonly known as red baiting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video first. Open your web browser and head over to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if prompted. Now, the key to getting ChatGPT into a spirited exchange is to formulate your prompts in a way that encourages the model to respond with strong opinions. Start by typing a statement that is a bit controversial or has multiple viewpoints, such as, why do you think chocolate ice cream is the worst flavor? This kind of prompt sets the stage for a more passionate response. You can also try asking for opinions on widely debated topics, like what's your take on the best way to organize a workspace? The idea is to keep the subject matter light, yet open for debate. As you continue the conversation, you can gently challenge the model's responses by saying things like, some people might disagree because they're but, isn't it true that this encourages the model to give more elaborate and detailed responses? Remember, while ChatGPT is designed to be neutral and informative, it can still offer interesting perspectives when prompted correctly. Keep the tone of your conversation friendly and curious to maintain a positive interaction. This approach not only makes the conversation more engaging, but also helps you explore the model's capabilities in reasoning and argumentation. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.